Here's how I put a freaking river in this glass box. Mysterious scapes, secret troves, secluded coves. For as long as I remember, I have been enamored with the natural world. Within the great outdoors, you could always find me crouching somewhere, gazing in complete and utter fascination at how many millions of life forms can live in the smaller, more neglected corners of the world. A fallen tree, moss-covered and thriving, even in death, bringing life in new forms. This is the story of how I created one of these secluded coves, so that I can be reminded of the countless marvels that exist within the microverse. The barriers between the aquatic portion and the terrestrial portion was constructed out of corrugated plastic and plastic window screen mesh. The river system was constructed by siliconing smaller slivers of corrugated plastic to a large corrugated plastic piece on the base. The waterfall was made by gluing a plastic cup on the corner piece, or sump, the area that houses the water pump. I was happy with the placement, so I proceeded with the foaming and the subsequent cutting of said foam. It's time for the first water test. It's a very success. So I then used aquarium-safe silicone to adhere a mixture of cocoa fiber to the background, and a mixture of small gravel and sand for the river system. After a couple more water tests, I started planting. A small cutting of philodendron, some moss, and a whole bunch of other plants that I added later. The nation of Crustacea was founded. 2 weeks later, life forms were everywhere. The water settled, plants rooted, and this is what it looks like as of May of 2023. Next week on Secrets of the Microverse.
The crustaceans demand the rivers.
Release the crabins. You shall subscribe.